Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you the free GitHub Copilot learning program I got from Andela and how to apply for it. This program is designed to help developers code faster and smarter using AI tools like GitHub Copilot, and it comes with a certification. To apply, just click on the Apply Now button. So this is the website where the form is. Then you have your online screen reader where it allows you to read the screen mode for those that have impaired vision or screen reader enabled devices. So I'll turn it off because I don't need it. Then I'll go down to fill in my details. The form has several sections. So this is the personal details section where they want to know your preferred choices. I'll also be dropping a link below so that you can actually have access to this website. So go in the description below and you see the link to this website. Motivation and commitment, why you want to join Andela program, and why you think it's okay and you really need it. So I'll be skipping this part so you can see and other different programs. This is actually based pre-program metrics. Can you do this? Can you do that? Can you do that? Then on the scale to 1 to 5, which language are you comfortable with? Are you comfortable with AI? So these are different series of questions you have to ask. Then when you choose the one you are okay with, then you click on next. It takes you to the final confirmation section where you have to confirm the exam, whether you're okay with the online exam, you prefer online exam. Then when you click on it, it takes you to where you can actually see the application form has been submitted shortly and the program will begin on Monday, August 11th. So when you accept that, you click complete and that's the form. You are done.